Wow, this is incredible. So big and powerful. The details are amazing. I have to see inside.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, you've been glued to every rumor and leaked render about what GMC has up its sleeve for 2026, and today, we are talking about the absolute beast that is the upcoming 2026 GMC Savana Overland 6x6. For decades, the Savana has been that dependable, no-frills, workhorse, but this new 6x6 configuration is a total revolution that flips the script on what a van can actually do. Just looking at this thing, the design is a massive departure from the utilitarian boxes of the past. We're talking about an aggressive, widened stance, a bold signature GMC grille that looks ready to eat the trail, and those massive fender flares housing a six-wheel setup that screams, "Go anywhere." But the real magic is happening under the hood, where GMC is reportedly introducing a powerhouse hybrid powertrain, likely a version of the 6.6-liter V8 paired with electric motors, to give you that instant, stump-pulling torque that's perfect for crawling over rocks while actually keeping an eye on fuel efficiency. Speaking of the rough stuff, the off-road features are next level, including a heavy-duty independent suspension, multiple locking differentials across those three axles, and enough ground clearance to make a dedicated rock crawler nervous. Step inside, and you'll realize this isn't just a rugged shell. The interior is getting a 21st century reboot with a massive 13-inch touchscreen, a fully digital driver information center, and premium materials that move it far away from the expansive plastic dashboards of previous generations. While the classic cargo Savanas still start in the mid-$40,000 range, this specialized Overland 6x6 is expected to sit much higher, likely starting in the $80,000 to $90,000 bracket, but when you compare that to the cost of a custom 6x6 conversion, it's actually a pretty compelling factory-backed package. Compared to the models we've known for the last 20 years, which were essentially flip phones in a world of iPads, the 2026 Overland 6x6 is a high-tech, off-grid fortress that finally turns the Savana into an aspirational adventure machine. I am absolutely buzzing about this one, so let me know in the comments if you'd take this 6x6 over a traditional truck, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the wildest rigs hitting the road.